This video will show you how to crochet a wheel. Round 1. 6 single crochet in magic ring. One single crochet. Use a stitch marker to mark the first stitch of every round. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochet completed. Pull the tail end of yarn tight. The wheel is worked in joined rounds. Each round will end with a slip stitch and begin with a chain to the first stitch of the round. End with a slip stitch. Be sure to pull tight. Count stitches. 6 stitches total. Then, begin with a chain, as joining, slip stitch and chain, do not count. Round 2. 6 single crochet increases. Remember to place a mark. Two single crochets in one stitch. One increase completed. Repeat a round. End with a slip stitch. Count stitches. 12 stitches total. Round 3. Begin with a chain. One single crochet. One increase. One single crochet, one increase. Repeat a round. End with a slip stitch. Pull tight. 18 stitches total. Round 4. One single crochet. One increase. One single crochet again. One single crochet, one increase, one single crochet. Repeat a round. "24 stitches total. End with a slip stitch. Pull tight. Round 5. Three single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 1 increase. 3 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat around. End with a slip stitch, pull tight. Round 6. 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Thirty stitches total. End with a slip stitch, pull tight. Round 7 to round 10, they are work same as round 6. 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Before round 11, change to white yarn. Cut the blue yarn. Insert hook. Pull out a white loop. End with a slip stitch, pull tight. Pull out the tail of blue yarn. Round 11. 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Thirty single crochet completed. End with a slip stitch, pull tight. Round 12. 1 single crochet. Place a mark. 2 single crochet. 3 single crochet. 1 decrease. 3 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat around. "24 stitches completed. End with a slip stitch, pull tight. Round 13. 1 single crochet. Place a mark. 1 decrease. 1 single crochet again. 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, repeat around. 18 stitches completed. End with a slip stitch, pull tight. Round 14. 1 single crochet. Place a mark. 1 decrease. 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat around. 12 stitches completed. End with a slip stitch, pull tight. Fasten off and leave long and for sewing. After stuffing, sew opening closed. Sewed front loops only. Pull tight. Tie a knot. Conceal end. Six single crochet in magic ring. Do not join. Conceal end. Four single crochet in magic ring. Do not join. Four single crochets in 4 stitch around. One, two, three, four. Fasten off and leave long and for sewing. Now sew parts together. Insert safety as between round 8 and round 9, 6 stitches apart. Work same as sewing fin and fishtail. We take fin as an example. Sewing fishtail on joining, fin on both sides. Tie a knot, conceal end. Lovely wheel has been completed.